Hi.
Hi.
Looking for a quickie?
I am. I had a washing machine explode all over me this afternoon. I'm so glad to see you.
Are you still wet?
I got all wet, I'm telling you.
Let's see if we can get down to business here.
That'd be great. I'll get out your way here.
Oh, sure. I think I got a handle on the situation.
Great.
Now, I think I know what the problem is.
Oh,
Let me talk to you about my tool belt.
okay.
Now, this is a small wrench, small pipe wrench.
Yeah, that's too small.
I don't think it'll do the job. Now, I got my measuring tape. Now, this is important for measuring the length of the pipe. It's a good size. And usually for big problems like this one, I try to go to my Old Faithful here.
Oh no, I bet you're good with that.
It's the biggest pipe in my tool belt.
Well, why don't you come over here and I'll show you the burst pipe.
All right. Just get my box.
So it was just right. This one here made me all wet.
Now let me just, right in here. Oh man. I just want to try to move this. It's really stiff. It's really stiff. Oh, it's very hard. Oh, it's very hard. Now, the thing with pipes, they're made of metal.
Yeah.
And metal dissolves over time, especially with water, and that's how rust is created. It's called oxidation.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this tool inside like this, right? And twist it. And twist. And, oh, that seems to be the problem right here.
Oh.
Right here, there's your problem.
There we go. You need to replace that pipe?
Oh, yeah, I think I'll just take this with me and bring it back to my truck, and I'll inspect it, and I gotta get my hammer.
Okay, we'll come back quick.
Hey!
Working.
Oh, look, this baby is working as good as new.
This baby is working as good as new. You did a great job.
Well, you did your part too. Nice meeting you.
Take care.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.